How to create a Google Play Games profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to create a Google Play Games profile. First, open settings on your device, scroll down and locate Google. Tap on Google. Choose the Google account that you want to create a Google Play Games profile of. Now, next to recommended, select all services. Scroll down, tap settings for Google Apps at bottom of the screen. On the section, select Play Games and you'll direct it towards the overview windows where you have to create a profile. So let's tap create a profile button. Here you need to tap on the next button at bottom right corner of the screen to create a new profile. Here you need to set up your gamer profile, your profile picture, as well as your profile name. Here you can get the default profile picture as well as the profile name. Select the edit button next to the profile picture and you can choose a profile image for your game settings. Once you have selected the profile image, tap on the Save button at bottom right corner of the screen. You can also change your gamer profile's name as well if you wish to, or keep as it is. Once you are done with that, you can tap on the next button at bottom right corner of the screen. Also choose the Create button at bottom right corner of the screen and you have successfully created a Google Play Games profile. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips videos.